Hello, welcome to our first video at Built by 13409. Here's a quick overview of our motocross shop and a quick overview of our machine shop, and we'll get into the first video of machining our first part. Hope you enjoy. Okay, here's one of the cab models I made for the engine plug kit. This is for the Yamaha 250F. I make them for the MX101 race team. And let's cut some material.
Got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap. Only God wants you better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad.
Yeah.
Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy.
Cleaning out the machine, should have bought a chip conveyor.
Stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up.
Okay, now that we got the material cut, we need to set it up in the machine. We need to tell the CNC where the material is located. So here I'm touching off the Y-axis, and in a second we'll punch it in, record where it is, and I'm going to -1 inch to the center of the block. Then we'll do the same for the X side. We'll move over, touch off the X surface, and then move the appropriate amount to the center of the block. This machine does have an automatic Renishaw touch probe that isn't working right now. It's throwing errors, so I'm using this 3D tester that works really well, but you have to do it manually. And then lastly, we will move over and touch off the Z, tell it where the top surface of the material is, go down a little bit so it shaves some off the top and makes a nice clean surface. Yeah, getting closer. Finish this, we can head over to the computer and post the program. Okay, back over at the computer. As you can see, we got the model up again. That transparent cube you can see around the model represents the material. It gives you an idea what the block is, of raw material is. And we just got to go in to the tool list and change a couple of the tool numbers to match where I have them located in the tool carousel in the CNC, so it calls up the right tools. And then after we're done that, just finishing up here, changing the drill number, and then we can post out the program and send it to the USB stick and get ready to load in the machine. Now we can load the posted program into the machine and get some chips flying. here's what it looks like after the first operation is done. All the tools complete their job, and we can move on to getting the second side finished. Now we're ready for the second operation. We machined a pocket to fit the part and drilled a hole for alignment, and the part fits in snugly. We use a gauge pin to put through the hole into the hole in the vise, and it aligns it so everything's lined up for machining the second side. Always remember after you tighten it to take that pin out or bad things happen. Here's the finished part with the O-ring added, and it is ready to go. And here's the rest of the parts that go with the kit. There's 4 in total, and they're all ready to go. Off to MX101. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. Take care.